Don't you think we should go on with a different kind of life?
Meaning?
I mean, maybe this is a wake-up call for us. That we should stop being some married guy's other woman.
Mars, okay ka lang?
Girls, let's face it, we're never gonna have a yes, Arnie kind of relationship. Iba yun eh. Dahil iba si Yes. He's a good man.
Travis is a good man. He loves me.
Si Zeus din.
Kung talagang mahal ka ni Travis, bakit di ka niya pinakasalan ng may chance? Bakit mas pinili pa niyang gawin kang kabit? At ikaw, hindi ba parang parasite na lang sa'yo si Zeus? Yang, ginagamit ka lang niya.
Mars, tama na ha. Bumusina ka naman.
Alam mo, kung makapagsalita ka, parang akala mo kung sino ka eh. Alam mo, huwag mo kami idamay sa kabitiran mo ha. Hindi namin kasalanan kung asshole si Dax at huwag mo idamay yung mga partners namin.